My name is Jason and I have a term life insurance policy. I want to explain what term life insurance is. Term life insurance is coverage or life insurance coverage for a set amount of years. So you can get a term life insurance plan for 10 years or 20 years and you will be covered within that period of time. And if you should die, for example, within those 10 or 20 years or whatever length of plan you choose, then you would have the life insurance benefit. If you should die after that term, well, you would no longer be covered. So it is important to choose the coverage for the length of time that you need coverage for. The payments are made once per month or once per year during that term, and after the term you don't have to make any more payments and you're no longer covered. This is a good product for someone who is starting a family, for example, and wants to have coverage for the next 10 or 20 years while they can build up their savings and pay off their mortgage, and while their children are growing up. Should anything happen within that period of time, there would be coverage for the family. When you are older, you may not need the same kinds of coverage, so you would be able to reassess after the term is up what your needs are at that point, how much savings you have, what your balance is on your mortgage, and so on. So this would be a good product for someone, for example, starting a family, and you would be able to get the coverage when you really need it most. And then you can sort of build up your savings and have some RRSPs or other types of savings for your retirement. And should you die after the 10 or 20 years of your term, though that savings would be what would tide your family over. Another advantage of term life insurance is that it is less expensive than permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance is a plan that covers you throughout your life and generally has a savings portion of it, whereas a term life insurance is just for a set amount. So your coverage could be for, say, $250,000 or $100,000 or whatever you choose, and your payments would be according to the amount of benefit that you have chosen. So in other words, if you choose to have coverage for $300,000, you would have higher monthly payments than if you chose coverage for $200,000. And those payments for a term life insurance would generally be less than for a permanent life insurance. So this is why another reason why you could choose a term life insurance over a permanent life insurance.